No cheating, okay? No looking at the answers of your
friends.
Yeah. Ready? You're gonna spell, okay? Number 1. How do you spell dog? Dog. Three, two, one, up. Up. You check, ha? Check. Check. It's D-O-G. 1 point pag correct.
Correct.
But look at your DJ then. It's baliktad. Oh, erase, erase, erase. Not the point, ha?
Erase, erase.
Pag baliktad yung letters next time,
Baro, erase.
ano na, ha?
No cheating!
Pag baliktad yung letters, Jaden, ha? And Dad.
Dad loses.
Next.
Next. How do you spell pig?
Pig.
No looking.
Pig. P-I-G.
Pig.
Shh.
Oh. I love pig.
3.
Pig. Just wait.
There's a time. You need to answer fast. 3, 2, 1. Up. Up, up, up. The spelling is
Look at Dad. He also has a pig.
P-I-G. P-I-G. Check your work.
Wow, okay.
Put 1 point kapag correct.
Give that to me.
Make sure you have space pag answer, ha?
Okay.
Next.
Next.
How do you spell sun?
Sun with sun.
Araw.
Araw.
Sun. 3, 2, 1. Up. The correct spelling is S-U-N. Check your work.
N ba yan? N?
Can I see?
N.
It looks like H.
Wait.
It looks like H, bro.
Be careful, ha. Sige, 1 point pa rin yan. But be careful next time, ha.
Eraser, para eraser. Dito mo lagay eraser dito.
Sa gitna. Ba't kasi may Spider-Man ka pa? Ano yan? G.I. Joe pala? Bitawan mo muna.
Si G.I. bro.
Next! Oh, you need to write fast pa, ha? Next.
Yun lagi. What, mom?
How? How do you spell lip? How do you spell
Lale.
lip?
Lu. How?
I L. Listen to mommy. I.
I just know how to do this.
You try. But why is there letter J?
This is not letter J.
It's letter J.
It's J. It's baliktad.
Ano
3.
kasi?
Oh, yun na lang. Isa na lang yung missing letter mo.
I.
3, 2, 1. Up. Up. The correct answer is L-I-P.
This is just a smile.
Correct? Sino nakakuha ang correct answer?
Me.
Oh, yay. 1 point. Next.
Parang.
How do you spell hen? Hen.
Ha. He. Hmm.
3. Kailangan maayos yung letters, ha? 3, 2, 1, up!
Mine to it also.
The correct answer is...
Ano yung kay Jordan, ma'am? Ne.
Tingnan mo yung H mo. Make
Ano
it
yan?
longer. H.
Ano spelling ng sayo? Ano letters yan?
Hen.
How do you spell it? Where's the letters?
8.
H, E,
Dapat longer. Dapat longer to.
Fix mo. Ayusin mo. Ganyan ba yung N? Oh, ganyan ba yung H?
Long yan dapat. It's
Diba long?
longer.
Ganyan, like
Longer.
this. Yan, like this, baby,
Okay, H-E-N. Check your work.
Where's
Ito,
my...
ito, eraser. Next.
Next. How do you spell? Oh, for 5 seconds. For 5 seconds, how do you spell?
Ano yung nanap mo?
Nothing.
For 5 seconds, how do you spell bus? Bus.
B-U-S.
Shh, don't say it.
But that already knows.
5, 4. Finish or not finish, ha? 5, 4, 3, 2. Look, ha? Pagbaliktad, wrong answer. Wrong yun, ha? Pagbaliktad yung letters, ha? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Up, up, up.
Mine is also a school bus.
But look.
Look. Check
Look at your B.
letters.
Oh no, wrong.
Baliktad yung B mo. Ganyan ba yung B?
How do you write B? Show it,
How do
Dad.
you write B? Ganito, oh, diba? The big B.
Oh.
Oh.
O sige, 1 point pa rin, ha. Last na yan, Jaden, ha. Bawal na baliktad later, ha. Okay po?
Okay.
No points pag baliktad, okay?
Okay, 10 points na ako. Jaden.
Next. How do you spell
Ayan na. What?
bed?
Ah.
Bed. Bed.
B. It's a B. D.
3, 2, 1, up! Up! Hey, up na!
Mine is a bed.
The correct answer is check. B, E, D.
Wow.
Yay!
What's that, Jaden? Cockroach?
Ilang points na si Jaden? Ilang points na po si Jaden?
11.
11. Oh, next.
Next.
Oh, for 2 points.
Dito.
How do you spell car?
Is it baliktad? It's baliktad.
Three, 2, 1, up! Up!
Mine is a
The correct answer is C, A, R. Sino nakakuha ang correct?
Me.
me.
Okay, next. This one is a little bit hard. Okay, listen,
How
ha?
many letters?
3 pa rin po.
Ay,
Next.
Ready? Next is, how do you spell box?
ba.
box?
Is it BU?
B
Oh.
O The correct answer is B O and X. Okay, remember that ha. B O X. Look at daddy's box.
Look at my box. It's already open. And the unboxing one is a toy.
Tama, ano niya, ma'am?
Yeah, it's B O X,
Galing,
di ba?
Mine is a toy unboxing.
Oh, ito.
Next.
If we have a box, how do you spell fox? Fox.
F A or U.
You will just change the one letter from box.
A.
How do you spell box muna? B O X, di ba? Or you just change the B to F.
Erase Erase mo na lahat. Start again.
Fox or box?
Fox.
Di ba ito yung box kanina?
Box.
B O X, di ba? Remember, that's box. Now, we need fox. You will just change the one letter. You will just change the beginning sound. The beginning letter. To F. The correct answer is what, Dad?
F O X.
Correct ba si Jaden?
Yeah.
Yay! O, last one for
This
spelling.
one? Fox candy.
Last
Where's the eraser, bro?
Last for the, ano,
Oh, the last one na.
for the ano lang,
Gang.
For the ano lang.
for the spelling. How do you spell,
Scissors.
how do you spell,
How do you do?
how do you
How
spell,
do you do?
how do you spell one? Three, two, one, up! Up na. Uy, bawal na magsulat pag... The correct answer is
Look at mine. It's madami.
O-N-E. Sino nakakuha ang correct answer?
Yay.
Me.
Yay! Oh, erase. Let's do addition. Erase.
Erase.